Welcome to Tenerife Cruise Terminal, also known as Terminal de Cruceros Tenerife. The cruise port is located in Santa Cruz de Tenerife, a major port city on the northeastern coast of Tenerife, the largest of Spain's Canary Islands. This terminal is a popular entry point for cruise passengers visiting the island and is known for its duty-free shopping area. The terminal also has a duty-free shop for last-minute gifts, though the city center offers a wider range of local crafts, aloe vera products and Canarian wine. Here are some port tips for cruise passengers disembarking at the Tenerife Cruise Terminal. The cruise terminal is located at Puerto de Santa Cruz de Tenerife, right next to the city. The terminal has modern amenities, including restrooms, duty-free shops, taxis, and tourism kiosks. Santa Cruz is very walkable from the port. Many attractions like Plaza de España, Parque Garcia Sanabria and the shopping streets Calle del Castillo are reachable within 15 to 30 minutes on foot. The blue sign indicates the city center is 1,155 meters from the terminal and instructs visitors to follow the blue line, a painted line on the ground. This pedestrian route is specifically designed to guide cruise passengers safely and efficiently from the port to the city center. More than 7 million tourists visit Tenerife in 2024, making it by far the most visited island in the archipelago. The city welcomes visitors with aesthetic beauty, rich history, public art, and modern conveniences, all within a short walking distance from the terminal. It offers visitors a seamless transition from the port to the historic and cultural heart of the city. Euro is the currency used. Most places take cards, but having a few euros on hand allows more flexibility when giving tips, taxis, or small vendors. Spanish is spoken, but in tourist areas you'll find English and German widely understood. Santa Cruz enjoys mild weather year-round. Bring a hat, sunscreen, and water, especially in summer. The city can be sunny even in December, so be prepared. The city center is about a 15-minute walk, approximately 1.1 kilometers or 0.7 miles. Follow the blue line painted on the ground, which leads you straight from the port to the city center. Another popular place to visit is Plaza de la Candelaria, a square in the city, and is located next to the Plaza de España. Or you can take a stroll down Calle Bethencourt Alfonso. Taxis are readily available at the port exit. Ensure the meter is running or agree on a fare beforehand. A taxi ride is good for reaching places like Las Teresitas Beach, which takes approximately 15 minutes. San Cristobal de la Laguna, an UNESCO World Heritage Site, takes approximately 25 minutes. Alternatively, you can rent a car to get around. If you are taking the tram, the nearest station, Fundación or La Paz, is an approximately 20-minute walk from the cruise port. The fare is €1.35 per ride and provides easy access to La Laguna. Visitors can also dive into the local cuisine. Try a local guachinche, a typical Canary Island eatery of Tenerife, or sample papas arrogadas con mojo, a traditional boiled potato dish eaten in the Canary Islands. It is usually served with a chili pepper garlic sauce called mojo rojo or as an accompaniment to meat dishes. Gofio and fresh seafood are some of the food visitors can sample while they are on the island. Let's talk about the weather. April to October may be the best time to visit as temperatures are comfortable, rainfall is low and conditions are ideal for exploring the place. But with its pleasant climate, breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture, Tenerife is a year-round destination. Bring a hat, sunscreen, and water, especially in the summer months of July through October. The city can be sunny even in December, so be prepared. Enjoy this beautiful island and see you next time.